Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite gossip. Saweetie hosted for the first time ever at the 2021 MTV Europe Music Awards. For her red carpet look, Saweetie wore a Givenchy dress. Not only did Saweetie perform, but she also wore 11 different outfits to the MTV EMAs, including one sexy Squid Game inspired look. Big shout out to Saweetie PR team, because baby, she stays booked and busy. So that's all we have for this video. I hope you guys like all the different looks. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment. Okay, see you guys on my next video.